Rainy roads can be risky. Here's how to keep your car safe and ready. Welcome to Factful Fridays. In this episode, we will talk about pre-monsoon car care. So let's dive into easy preventive steps to prepare your car for the monsoon. Starting with your car's wiper blades. If the wiper blades become brittle or damaged or make streaks when wiping, replace the wiper blades. Once your wipers are in great condition, don't forget the washer system. Regularly check the windshield washer fluid level, especially when weather conditions are poor. Use only Maruti Suzuki genuine washer fluid for best performance. And while visibility matters, your tires are just as critical when it comes to staying safe on wet roads. Ensure your tire tread depth is above 1.6 millimeters. Use the built-in tread wear indicators. If they are visible on the surface, it's time to replace your tires. Maintain the specified tire pressure to ensure proper stability and braking performance. Ensure all lights, headlights, indicators and brake lights are working properly for better visibility. Now that your car is ready for the rains, let's shift focus to how you drive. To clear fog on the inside of the windshield and door glass during rainy days, use the defroster switch. For the rear window, use the heated rear window switch. For detailed step-by-step procedure, refer to the video link given in the description. Avoid driving in a flooded area or a deep puddle. If driving in a flooded area is unavoidable, go slowly in the lowest gear. It's also advisable to keep an active customer convenience package policy to help cover unexpected costs arising from water ingress causing engine hydrolock. Visit your nearest Maruti Suzuki authorized service center to get the customer convenience package and essential pre-monsoon checks done. What car care tip do you want next? Comment below. Stay tuned, stay informed.